Are you thinking about using Crowdfire to manage your social media accounts, but unsure if it's the right fit? In this video, I'll cover 7 things you need to know before you make the purchase. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Crowdfire is the best choice for you or if a competitor like Buffer or Hootsuite might be a better option. Stick around because I'll also reveal how you can try Crowdfire for free through the first link below and unlock some exclusive benefits. Let's dive in. First off, Crowdfire is a social media management tool that's all about simplifying your content scheduling and engagement. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to manage multiple social accounts, Crowdfire's features make it a solid contender. However, it's important to understand that while it offers great tools, it may not have the advanced analytics of some of its competitors like Hootsuite. But for smaller teams or solo entrepreneurs, Crowdfire's simplicity might be just what you need. Next, the pricing is something you'll want to consider. Crowdfire offers a free plan, but if you want full access to its premium features, like unlimited scheduled posts and the ability to manage more than 3 accounts, you'll need to upgrade. When compared to competitors, Crowdfire's pricing is generally more affordable. For example, while Buffer's premium plans start at $15 a month, Crowdfire's are slightly lower, giving you a good deal for the features it offers. The third thing to consider is how Crowdfire helps you curate content. The tool suggests content based on your interests and industry, which makes it incredibly easy for marketers and business owners to find relevant content to share with their audience. This is something Crowdfire does well compared to competitors. While Hootsuite also allows for content curation, Crowdfire's suggestions are more personalized and aligned with your brand's interests. The fourth thing you should know is about the automation features. Crowdfire allows you to automate posts to Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and more. What's great about Crowdfire is the ability to schedule posts in bulk. So if you're managing several accounts, you can save a lot of time. However, it doesn't offer the same level of team collaboration tools as Hootsuite. So keep that in mind if you need to work with a larger team on a more complex social strategy. Next up is analytics. Now, Crowdfire has analytics, but it's not as in-depth as some of the higher tier platforms. For example, if you're comparing it to Sprout Social, you'll notice Crowdfire's analytics are more basic. But for the price point, you're still getting great insights into your audience's behavior, and this is useful for most small to medium-sized businesses. If you need deep dive reports or more advanced analytics, you might want to consider another option. The sixth thing you need to know is that Crowdfire has a very user-friendly interface. Navigating the platform is simple, even for beginners. You don't have to be a social media expert to start using Crowdfire. It's definitely more intuitive than something like Buffer, where the learning curve can be a little steeper when you first start. Lastly, one of Crowdfire's unique features is its ability to connect with e-commerce stores, especially on platforms like Shopify. If you're running an online store, Crowdfire allows you to promote your products directly from your social media profiles. It even helps you track sales from those social posts. If you're an e-commerce entrepreneur, this could be a huge advantage compared to competitors like Sprout Social, which doesn't have that same direct integration. So if you want to try out Crowdfire for yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. Trust me, it's worth checking out, especially if you're managing multiple social media accounts and want a streamlined, easy-to-use solution.